पर्यावरण दिवस के मौके पर आज केंद्रीय पर्यावरण मंत्री प्रकाश जावड़ेकर ने एक ब्रोशर जारी किया। इस बार पर्यावरण दिवस की थीम जैव विविधता रखी गई है। जावड़ेकर ने कहा कि इस बार जैव विविधता के साथ नगर वन पर जोर दिया जा रहा है।
% of the world's land mass, and we have only 4% of natural water resources. Therefore, we are in constraints, but still India is able to preserve 8% world's biodiversity. This is no small feat, because India has been able to prove this, that here is the country which preserves biodiversity despite constraints. Indian culture is like this. क्या आपको पता है कि पेड़ ना काटे, न कटे, इसके लिए राजस्थान में 300 लोगों ने बलिदान दिया था। 300 people died to protect forest. In every village, we have a forest in the name of God. ईश्वर के नाम से एक वन होता है जिसमें ना कटाई होती है ना चराई होती है। प्रकृति के साथ हमारी जीवन है। Our lifestyle is with nature, and trees, प्राणी, जलचर, वनचर, पक्षी, पशु, all species of the world are part of our life. आज जैसे आपने देखा वहां वारजे में वट पूर्णिमा है तो महिलाएं पूजा कर रही है पेड़ की। आई थिंक दिस इज यूनिक इन द वर्ल्ड दैट पीपल आर वर्शिपिंग ट्री। दे वर्शिप एनिमल्स ऑल्सो, they worship the reptiles also, and they worship all kinds of life. One Sanskrit famous saying is, Prithvi Rakshiti Rakshita. Nature protects those who protect nature. What we find today is, we have forest in rural areas, but not much forest in urban areas. While I was traveling throughout the world in New York, in Rio de Janeiro, Nairobi, and even in Mumbai, we have national parks. In many cities, there are forest patches. In my Pune city also, forest has developed 2-3 good forests, but we need more. Therefore, we have introduced the scheme of urban forest. शहरों में उद्यान है, gardens है, but we don't have forest. So we have to create forest, and we have decided today to launch our Nagar Van program, urban forest program, in 200 corporation cities of India. We started in Pune in 2015, and with the help of Forest Department, people's representative, the Guardian Minister, the Member of Parliament, Member of Legislative Assemblies, corporation, and as was shown by Tata Motors, Persistent Foundation, and Air Policy Center, this was the best example of PPP, and that is the model for improving the forest, urban forest in 200 cities.